Okay, so this video is another on 2D design, and it's basically giving you a bit of an introduction to some simple drawing tools for freehand drawing on 2D design. Now, if I take you over to the screen, we can see the image we're going to try and create. Something like this is a little fish with some air bubbles coming out of its mouth. Okay, so we're going to be using a range of tools, and most of our drawing tools are found at the top left here on the toolbar over there. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is start by drawing the body and the tail part. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select the circle tool here, and I'm just going to draw 3 circles next to each other. So one's going to be the body, one's going to be the back part of the tail, the part that kind of sticks out here, and the other bit is going to be the part of the tail that kind of intersects. I'm drawing 3 circles. Now this doesn't really look like much at the moment until I start taking away the bits that I don't actually want anymore in the shape. So the tool I'm going to use for that is this delete up to an intersection tool. Okay, so I'm holding down the delete tool here and choosing the second option across there, which is the delete an object between the 2 intersections. Now what I'm going to do is get rid of the bits I don't want. So I do not want this line up to there, and I don't want this part of the line, and I don't want this part of the line or this one. So now I've got a body there with a little kind of tail attached to it. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is give the fish a mouth. Now I'm going to just use the simple line tool here. So with the line tool, I'm just going to do one line coming in at an angle, and I'm doing another line coming in at a different angle. Now you've noticed I'm intersecting these lines as well, because what I want to do is again use the delete tool here to take out the bits as they intersect. Okay, so I'm just deleting out those bits, and I don't want that part because there's his mouth starting there. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is do his fin, okay, or something like his fin. So I want a slight curve on the fin here, so I could use a couple of tools. I could use an arc or a circle, but I'm going to use the path tool here, and I'm literally just starting again, overlapping the shape and just starting where the curve's going to go to and where it's going to go from here. Now sometimes when you use this tool, you click again and you don't know how to get off of it. It's a simple task. You just have to right click the mouse and that will finish the line at the end of the section. Okay, and I'm going to use another curved line just to kind of connect up to give him a bit of a curve to the back of his fin, and again press the right mouse. Now once more, just like before, I'm going to use the delete intersection tool and take out the overlapping sections, so I'm left with the main body of the fish now. Now all I'm going to do is give him an eye and some teeth. So the eye, I'm going to use the circle tool here. So if I choose the circle tool again, and I can select this and give him a little eye, I'm going to give him an eyeball as well. There we go. And for the teeth, because there's lots of teeth that are all overlapping each other, I'm going to hold down the line tool and select the second one, which is a series of connected lines. Now all I'm going to do is very quickly go across and just create a series of overlapping sections like this to create teeth for my fish like this. And once again, I'm going to press the right key to finish my line. Now finally, just to finish my image off, I'm just going to create some little air bubbles with the circle tool as well.